Hi everyone, here is step-by-step guide how to change name on your BlueWallet account. So now let me scroll down and type in here BlueWallet and just tap on it. Wait, loading application. So now as you can see I have only one wallet. Tap on it, and after that once you here you can tap on three dots at the very top right corner. So tap on it, and after that tap on name field right here and just change your name, for example Bitcoin, and just tap on save button. Okay, and as you can see, new name of this wallet is appear. That's it, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also watch this new video or this playlist about BlueWallet.